Second wave of COVID-19 will be on its peak between 15 to 20 in month of May. This will be the most crucial moment. During the period, there are two possibilities. One is cases can drop, which we are experiencing now, and another possibility is that this peak time will continue as it is now. In today's video, let us know which vaccine is best and what is procedure to get vaccinated. There are many companies who are producing COVID vaccines such as Covaxin, Moderna, Pfizer, AstraZeneca, which is also known as Covishield in India. This Covishield vaccine is made in India by Serum Institute of India. This vaccine works on RNA of the virus. If you know how COVID-19 kills and what is RNA, you can click in the link given below in description. This vaccine works 80% with a gap of 42 to 56 days. Another vaccine which is produced in India is Covaxin. This vaccine sends weakened viruses into the body, and the good point about this vaccine is that on a gap of 28 days, this vaccine gives 80 to 85% protection. Third vaccine is Sputnik vaccine made by Russia. This vaccine is made of two viruses and is the fastest vaccine made. This vaccine is said to be 91% effective, and the lapse between two doses is of only 21 days. But the bad point about this vaccine is that the first dose and the second dose have different vaccine. The Pfizer vaccine is an effective vaccine, but the problem with this vaccine in India is that this vaccine has to be stored in minus 70 degrees Celsius. But India doesn't have these kind of cold storages. These three vaccines are available in India. All three are effective but have different time gaps between the two doses. The virus in the second wave is double mutant. That's why it enters the cell of human in just 2 days. It's noticed that the second wave is always most dangerous. And in this COVID time, it seems that we may face the third wave during September, October this year. But this third wave will not be that dangerous because till that time 70% of the population will be out of the risk or already developed antibodies in it. In those 70%, around 30% have got vaccinated. Remaining 30% who have the risk are anyhow safe to the virus because till that time all the black marketing of oxygen cylinders may have exposed, and the availability of ventilators and beds may also have increased. During these tough times where doctors, nurses and frontline workers are getting over their limit to fight against the pandemic, many people are black marketing COVID-19 essentials and taking advantage of needfuls. To get vaccinated, you must use a government approved website such as Arogya Setu app. Book your slot to nearby vaccination centers and get vaccinated as soon as possible because your vaccination can help you but also the whole country to fight against this virus. That is it for today. If you found the content useful, subscribe the channel below, like the video, share it amongst your friends and family. We'll meet you in the next one. Till then, wear mask, stay home, stay safe.